Well,
Poppy!
well, there are 4 plates of sardines coming on in Act 1 alone. They go here, they go there. I take them, she takes them, and well, all of us here are pretty much thinking, well, you know, I mean, aren't you?
Sorry?
Sardines.
What sardines? Change the sardines.
Make it fulcrum, take off the moon, please, darling.
Look, it's all right for you lads. You're out there. We're up here. You know, we got to do it, yeah? Plus, we got like, we got what? We got bags and, well, boxes, plus, well, doors, plus words. And, well, all of us here are pretty much thinking, well, you know.
Nice thinking at you, Poppy.
Well, just trying to,
Certainly
you know,
make a point, Gary.
But what do you want to change? The doors, the bags, the boxes?
look, I'm just saying, bags, boxes, doors, words, sardines, us. Okay? I think I've made my point.
You certainly have it yet again. Got that, Poppy? Right, on we go.
Sorry, just you got to come out with it sometimes, you know?
Yeah, I know.
Thanks, Georgie.
And Poppy,
Yes?
Don't let this happen again.
No.
much better as long as Dottie's happy.
Perfectly happy, Georgie love.
Will you do something for me, darling? Take the sardines off with you!
I'm sorry about this.
That's alright, we don't need the television anyway.
Only, well, she's been in the family for generations and,
Right, and I've got to get this to Baton straight by 4.
yes, well, maybe we should have a, you know, a glass of
We'll
wine.
take it up with us.
Yes.
And don't
but
let my files out of sight.
no, only,
What?
well,
Her.
well, she's been in the family for generations. And, well,
Not for me to say, love. Although I will say one thing. Buy it. We'll like having you, won't we, love?
yes.
And
Well, yes.
Yes. And you'll like it here as well.
Terrific.
Won't she, love?
Well,
Fantastic.
All right, I'm just going to sit here and watch the telly and... Oh, I've lost the newspaper again!
I think she's terrific. She's even making us sardines.
well,
Terrific. So, which way then?
alright. Before she comes back with the sardines.
Up here?
Yes, yes.
In here?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then into the bathroom.
No, no, no!
Always trying to get me into the bathroom.
Look, I mean, in here.
Ooh, what sheets.
Oh, that's the airing cupboard. This one.
You're in real estate, you can't even get the door open.
Now the business like it's out there not, remember?
Hold it!
There's not the place entirely to ourselves.
Hold it! And God said, hold it! And they held it! And God saw it was terrible!
Sorry, loves. This door won't, well, you know.
And this door won't close.
And God said, Poppy!
I'm sorry, guys. Am I doing something wrong? You know how stupid I am about doors.
Don't Freddie, you're doing it perfectly.
Well, as long as it's not me that's broken it.
Ah, there's Poppy. God said, be fruitful and multiply. So fetch him to fix the doors, please.
I just love technicals.
Oh, she loves technicals. I mean, isn't she just? Well, she loves technicals. Dolly, where's Dolly?
Everyone is just so nice to everyone.
Oh, she really is. I mean, isn't she? Belinda's being all, you know.
Well, the only thing I like about technicals is you get to sit on the furniture.
Oh, Daddy, it's so lovely to see you cheering up and making jokes.
That's a joke.
Such a lovely company to work with. Such a happy company. Wait until we play stock on teeth in 12 weeks' time.
Lloyd. Are you okay, my love?
I'm starting to know what God felt like when he sat out there in the darkness creating the world.
Oh, how did he feel, Lloyd, my sweet?
Very pleased he's taking his belly off.
Well, he had 6 days, of course, and we've only got 6 hours.
And God said, "Where the hell is Tim?" And there the hell was Tim. And God said, "Let there be doors that open when they open and close when they close." Do something. Doors. I was doing that front house. Doors. Doors. Tim, are you fully awake?
Georgie, you've been putting up the set all weekend.
You're not trying to do much at all tonight.
Tim, that front door won't close.
Oh, and the bedroom won't, well, you know.
Right then.
Oh, I've been on his feet for 48 hours.
Don't worry, Tim. Only another 24 hours and it'll be the end of the day.
Oh, look, he's come down to among us.
Look, since we're stopping, it took us 2 days to get the set in, so we shan't have any time for a dress rehearsal. I want you all to think of the first night of the dress rehearsal. The doors and sardines. Opening doors, closing doors. Getting the sardines on, getting the sardines off. That's fast, that's theatre, that's fine.
Oh, Lloyd, you saved it.
Let's get going. Bang, bang, bang! Bang and start. Where's Southern?
I saw him in the car.
I thought you were behind with you.
I thought I was talking about you.
It was all, you know.
Is this the rain?
Oh, please!
Selson, we can't find him.
I'm sure he would have not as technical.
Half a chance he would. What?
Oh, no, Big Bear, my sweets. We don't know.
I saw him standing there before.
Well, don't you cry, my sweet.
No, I've got something behind my leg. Oh,
Yes, pretty
Selson.
anyone in sight.
Soundstay. Soundstay. I mean, wasn't he just standing right there?
What are we talking about now?
Oh, it's okay, my sweet. We know you can't see anything.
I'm not blind. I can see Selson. Selson!
Oh my God, he was here all the time.
My word, Selson. You gave us a surprise. We thought you were not there.
Where have you been, Selson?
Are you okay, Soundstay?
Speak to us.
Is it a party?
Is it a party?
How killing. See, I heard we were going to do a bit of a rehearsal, so I sort of thought that if I went up there and had a bit of a snooze before I came down, I'd be ready for the rehearsal.
Oh, it's really lovely.
Much lovely